Hello students, in this video lecture we have to start the OUAT preparation series. Okay, so this is the OUAT IBD guide. So we will finish all the chapters with all the questions, maximum 50 questions per chapter. Okay, then in this video we will discuss all the questions of kinetic theory of gases. Okay. Here the first question of this chapter is 16 gram of oxygen, 14 gram of nitrogen and 11 gram of carbon dioxide are mixed in an enclosure of volume 5 liter and temperature 27 degrees Celsius. The pressure exerted by the mixture is. Then come to the solution of this problem. Okay, here the solution, that is P is equal to, we know that the ideal gas equation P is equal to nRT, P is equal to nRT upon V. We know that there are three gases, oxygen, nitrogen and CO2. So nRT by V, that is N1 plus N2 plus N3, the individual number of moles of the gases, by volume into RT, that is 16 by 32 plus 14 by 28 plus 11 by 44 into 8 into 300 is by 5 into 10 minus 3, that is equal to the answer. Okay, this is a normal easy question. Okay, then come to the second question. Which of the following obeys both Boyle's law and Charles' law? There are the options: saturated vapor, unsaturated vapor, both of them, none of them. The answer is unsaturated vapor. It obeys both Boyle's law and Charles' law. Okay. Then come to the fourth number question, that is two identical cylinder contain helium at 2.5 atmosphere and argon at 1 atm pressure respectively. If both the gases are filled in one cylinder, the pressure would be. So in this question, so here the solution in the of this question, temperature is constant because it is both the gases are mixed in a container. Okay, and the volume remains constant. So pressure mix P mix is equal to P1 V1 plus P2 V2 upon V1 plus V2. So volume constant, so P1 V plus P2 V by V1 plus V2 is 2V. P1 is 2.5 and P2 is 1. So V common, V take common, then V into 3.5 by 2V, V cancel out, then 3.5 by 2, that is 1.75 atm is the answer. That is the answer, 1.75 atm pressure, atmospheric pressure. Then come to the fifth question. A gas is heated from 27 degrees Celsius to 327 degrees Celsius, as a result of which the increase in temperature, the average kinetic energy of the molecule halved, quadrupled, doubled, increased by a factor. We know that the formula of the kinetic energy, that is equal to 3 by 2 kT. So here the temperature K remains constant, that is Boltzmann constant. So 3 by 2 into K into 27 degrees Celsius, that is 300 Kelvin, that is 450 Kelvin. Again E2 is equal to 3 by 2 Kt, T is equal to 373 degrees Celsius, that is 600 Kelvin, that is 900 Kelvin. So E2 is equal to 2 times, so it is doubled. Okay, the answer is doubled. Then come to the question. This is a very important question. Okay, how much should the pressure be increased in order to decrease the volume of a gas by 5% at a constant temperature? So it is given that the temperature remains constant. We know that the ideal gas equation PV is equal to nRT. So pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Okay, then the volume decreases by 5%. So V2 is equal to V minus 5 by 100 V1. Okay, that is 95 by 100 V1. So V2 upon V1 is equal to 95 by 100. We know that the pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So P1 by V2 is equal to V2 by V1 is equal to 95 by 100. That is 19 by 20. So percentage of increase in pressure is equal to P2 minus P1 upon P1 into 100. So 20 minus 19 upon 19 into 100. That is 1 by 19 into 100. That is 100 by 19 is equal to 5.26% is the correct answer. It is also important question. The question can says at which temperature the RMS velocity of oxygen equal to the RMS velocity of nitrogen at 0 degree Celsius. Okay, so we know that the formula VRMS is equal to 3RT upon M raw root over. So VRMS of oxygen is equal to 3R into T or T of oxygen, temperature of oxygen upon 32 raw root over. VRMS of nitrogen is equal to 3R into 273 Kelvin, that is 0 degree Celsius upon 28 raw root over. So equalizing the both, then T naught by 32 is equal to T naught minus, that is temperature of oxygen, 273 by 28, that is we get T naught is equal to temperature of oxygen equal to 312 Kelvin, that is T naught upon 8 is equal to 73 upon 7, that is T naught is equal to 2184 that by 7, that is 312 Kelvin, that is 39 degrees Celsius. Okay, the answer is 39 degrees Celsius. Here the question says the x components of the velocity of some particles in kilometer per second come to 10, 8, 6, 4, 0, minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. The root mean square velocity of this data is equal to, so the root mean square velocity is equal to v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 square plus vn square by n number. So 2 into there we know that the square of the negative is also positive, so 2 into 10 square plus 8 square plus 6 square plus 4 square, that is 2 into 216 by 10 raw root over, that is 43.2, that is nearly equal to the option D, 40. Okay, the question says a jar has a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen gases in the ratio 1:5. The ratio of mean kinetic energy of hydrogen and oxygen molecule is, we know that kinetic energy average formula is equal to 3 by 2 upon kT. Here the temperature is constant because two gases taken in a container, so the temperature for two gases remains constant, so that the kinetic energy is also remains constant, so it is the ratio 1:1. Okay, it is also tricky question.